In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events to Apple Calendar. First, let's open the Calendar app. On your iPhone or iPad, find the calendar icon, which is typically a white square with a red border and a date on it. Tap on this icon to launch the app. As the app opens, you will see the current month displayed with dates clearly marked. This is your central hub for managing dates and events. By starting here, you are setting the stage for organizing your schedule effectively and efficiently. Next, tap the plus sign, which is the Add button located at the top right corner of the screen. When you tap this, a new screen will appear, allowing you to create a new event. This button is essential because it signals the application that you want to add something new to your calendar. It's a simple action, but it opens up a world of possibilities for your planning. Now it's time to enter the event title. In the designated field, type in what your event is called, such as doctor appointment or team meeting. This title is crucial as it helps you quickly identify the event later on. Make sure it is clear and descriptive. Once you've entered the title, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. You're making progress in organizing your schedule. After that, you can add details such as the location, date, start and end time, invitees, and alert. Tap on the relevant fields to fill in this important information. For instance, if you're scheduling a meeting, enter the location and choose the correct date and times. This step is vital because it ensures everyone involved knows where and when to meet. Additionally, setting alerts can remind you of the event ahead of time. It helps you stay on top of your commitments. Next, select the calendar where you want to save the event if needed. If you have multiple calendars set up, like personal, work, or family, you can choose the one that fits best. Tap on the calendar option and select the appropriate one from the list. This organization keeps your life streamlined and helps you avoid confusion later on. You will notice a sense of clarity in your scheduling as you categorize your events properly. Finally, tap Done. This action saves all the information you've just entered. After tapping Done, you will see your event appear on the calendar on the date you selected. This confirmation gives you peace of mind. You can now rest assured that your event is safely recorded and you have taken a proactive step in managing your time. By following these steps, you can efficiently add events to your Apple Calendar. Each detail matters in creating a well-structured schedule. You are now equipped to keep track of your appointments and commitments with ease. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.